Ka President Jangkari India ka Draupadi Murmu, kala Plie pyrda ya ka Lumpong ba ka jela, ka 5th Meghalaya Games hatura, ha ka khatsan tarik kalalingkan. Ka jing Plie ya ka ni ka Lumpong ya lakai bahet tam ka jela, ka sakhi ba ka President kala perto ya ka sap ka phong nala, ka than syate la mingi, kala banjor ban ai ka jingkershan ya ki riulum, bat kentiau ya ka kam ya lakai ki baharukam. Kani ka Meghalaya Games menta ka kenti, kadai ka sin ka baningkong ka bapenlong hasor tura, bat ka baningkong syabar ka sor Shillong, kadon ya ka jingale ka traditional indigenous games. Ka President Murmu kalayaro ya ka kam yale kai ha kadai ka than, bat kentu ban penjana ya ka kam yale kai, kam tam ki kentai. Kala ongru ba hapdeng ka jinga pher ha ki babun ki rukam, hapdeng ki nongshong shnong kari India, ngidai ban kentiau syuk-syuk ya kanam keburam kari, haka kam ya lekai hakmat ka perthai. Kala kedawru ya ka adventure sports, bat ka adventure tourism, haka ni kathan ka badan kambha ban pai kmat, bat ban pet ya ki jing mentoy. Kala penken mauru ya usin yang kinong ya lekai ka ni kathan syate la mingi, haka rensan international, bat ki khusnam ki balasam dangshan sya ki athletes. Ha kani ka Meghalaya Games menta ka kenti, lawan nongiashimbynta da ki lai hajar ngut ki athletes, ha ki arpulai tali ki jat ya lekai, ka banne hendrius ngi lenter. Chief Minister Conrad ki sangma, ula nyau ya kani ka lempung ka bansa khana, ha ka history ka rilum garo. Ula ong kani ka lempung kam day tang ka jinga lekai, hendrei ka day ka lawe jong ki samla, ban kring ya ki samla na ka banta ka lawe jong ki, bat ka sorkar ka dan ya ka thong, ban pelut ya ka bor ka sor, ban plilat plilenti ya ki samla ha ka lenti ka badai.
I am delighted to attend the inauguration ceremony of the multi-sports event Meghalaya Games. I extend my best wishes to all the participating sports persons. I am confident that they will put up a remarkable show in this edition of the Meghalaya Games. I am happy to note that this opening ceremony of Meghalaya Games is being held in the Plie football stadium, which is said to be the country's largest pre-engineered composite football stadium. I pay my homage to Lord Sri P.A. Sangama, former Chief Minister of Meghalaya and former Speaker of Lok Sabha. Sri Sangama was the first tribal Speaker of Lok Sabha and also the first Speaker from Northeast. Sri Sangama was loved by politicians cutting across party lines. He was a visionary who worked tirelessly to address Northeast region's unique challenges. Ladies and gentlemen, Northeast India traditionally has a strong sports culture. The region has a tremendous potential for development of sports and sports persons. Further, the region has a large tribal population who are good at many sports, archery being one of them. Diversity is the beauty of our nation, and we should utilize it to further boost India's global image in sports arena. There is an urgent need to support the talent from the tribal areas and groom them to become professional sports persons. I am happy to note that the Society of Northeast encourages women to play and join sports as a profession. Northeast region has produced many great women athletes. I would also like to underline the potential of adventure sports and adventure tourism in this region and the need to explore and leverage it on priority. The region has produced some great sports persons who have contributed to India's tally in prestigious international tournaments like Olympics and Commonwealth Games. Last week, I gave Arjuna Award to hockey player Ukram Bom Surila Janu and Yusuf player Navrem Rosilina Devi in a ceremony held in Rashtrapati Bhavan. I congratulate both of them for making the country proud. I am confident that events like Meghalaya Games will encourage athletes for excellence, promote competitiveness, and create a vibrant sporting ecosystem. The National Sports University provides courses on sports science, sports technology, sports management, and sports coaching. I am sure it will create a rich sports ecosystem in the region. Ladies and gentlemen, I am told that about 3,000 athletes are participating in these games. I appreciate the state government and the organizers for hosting this event. The decision of the government to hold these games in different parts of the state is a welcome step and would ensure wider reach of such events among masses. The development of sports inspectors in the state will also get a boost when these events are held at different venues. I commend the state government and local administration for using this opportunity to engage the local residents in beautification programs, cleanliness, and plantation drives. India's sporting culture has developed immensely in recent years. With government's new initiatives and encouragement to the athletes, Indian sports persons are now winning more medals than ever in global events. Indian contingent delivered spectacular performances in recently held World University Games and Asian Games. Programs such as Hello India are helping in identifying and nurturing future sports champions. Our athletes are so determined and committed that they are making a mark in para games too. Our men and women sports persons are keeping the India's flag flying high. Ladies and gentlemen, India has also demonstrated its ability to host large-scale international sporting and other events. India has organized the Chess Olympiad, Under-17 Football Women's World Cup, the Men's Hockey World Cup, Boxing Championship, and most recently, the Cricket World Cup. This year in March, for the first time, India will host the World Shooting Para Sports event. The organization of various state-level games and other cultural and trade events will contribute in building robust sports infrastructure and creating a strong sports legacy in the country. I would like to ask the children and youth of the country to learn at least one sports and participate in sports activities. You may or may not adopt sports as a career, but playing together will inculcate team spirit and competitiveness in your personality and apart from keeping you physically and mentally fit. In the end, I extend my best wishes to all the participants and wish this event a great success. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Jai Meghalaya.
हम सब इस तुरा के वासियों से, इस मेघालय के वासियों से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और हमेशा आप हमारे आगे रहेंगे।
मैं और एक बात इसीलिए माइक के सामने आई क्योंकि धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ ये तीनों ड्राइवर्स, मुझे पता चला वो भी प्लेयर्स ही है और जो बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स यहाँ अपना आर्ट फॉर्म यहाँ दिखाए हैं, गौरव, खासियत, जयंतिया ड्राइवर्स का अपने बिहार बॉडी में 3-4 घंटा यहाँ खाए हैं, उनको भी धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं। इसी कहते हैं स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट, इसी को ही कहते हैं स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट एंड यंग स्टार एंड यंग ब्लड एंड यंग माइंड। थैंक यू।
It was our greatest pride and honor to have you join us, Madam, in today's festivities.
These games are very unique because this is the first time in the history of our state that the Honorable President of India has come and inaugurated the Meghalaya Games. It is a historic day and a day that we are all proud and very happy. And on behalf of all the citizens of Meghalaya, I take this opportunity, Madam, to give you a very warm welcome, especially because this is my constituency also. So as a local MLA, I welcome you to my constituency. This is also the first time that the Meghalaya Games is being held in Dura. And that is another great opportunity and a great event and something that we as citizens of Dura are also very, very proud of. So I once again thank you, ma'am, for taking your time. It has been a long journey for you, but because of your desire to be here today, you have come, and I can tell you, it is a great source of inspiration and motivation to the young generation of our state. Thank you very much, ma'am. As a state government, we have been very, very clear in our vision and in our approach to ensure that we value the greatest asset and the resource that we have, which is the youth of our state and the youth of our nation. We believe in investing in our youth. We believe in ensuring that we channelize their energy in the right direction. We believe in giving the right opportunity to our youth. We believe that these programs, these games that we have, the different festivals that we have, these are important investments in our youth. And the returns of this will be there for generations to come. And that is why, madam, your presence has made this particular event even more meaningful. The sports infrastructures that we have created, I'm happy to inform you that in the last 5 years and now in the second term of this government, maximum investment has been made in the sports sector. These stadiums and many other stadiums across the state have come up in the last 5 years, and in the next 5 years, we do expect many more such stadiums to come. And hence, it's not only these kind of events, but also very, very meaningful investments that we are making in the sports sector. To conclude my speech, this particular event is not just a sports event. This is an event where we want to celebrate our youth. This is an event where we want to celebrate our culture. We will have traditional sports also be playing here. This is not just an event, but it is also a symbol of the unity of our state. This is not just a sports event, but this is the future of our young generation and our youth. And therefore, this is not a simple event for us, but it is a very meaningful and a very important event in the history of our state. Once again, Madam, I take this opportunity to welcome you. I wish the athletes and all the sports personnel the very best, and I thank all the organizing committee members who have worked tirelessly to make this event a successful one. I know our young boys and girls who are on the field have been there for the last 2.5, 3 hours. Some of them without shirts. It's really cold. I apologize. But I'm sure that this will go down in your memory, that you were there waiting for our president, standing there in this cold weather, braving this cold weather. I congratulate you, I thank you, and I thank all the organizing committees for the wonderful work that you have done. May these games be a great success, and I wish all the athletes the very best. Remember, it's not just about winning, it is about participating. It's about discipline. It's about hard work. It's about teamwork. It is about sportsmanship spirit. Winning or losing, you will come out as a better person after these games. I wish you all the very best, and I wish these games the very best. May God bless each and every one of us, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shibun, Mathila, and Jai Hind.